Beyond just looking beautiful, drawing geometric patterns offers a surprising array of benefits for your mind and well-being. It's more than just a doodle. It's a powerful tool for self-improvement. Let's dive into why this artistic practice is so valuable. 1. A gateway to mindfulness. The repetitive nature of drawing geometric patterns is a fantastic way to practice mindfulness. It forces your attention to the present moment, to the lines, angles, and the rhythm of your hand. This helps quiet racing thoughts and reduces mental clutter. 2. Boosts focus and concentration. Each pattern demands a precise placement of lines and a keen eye for detail. This sustained attention acts like a workout for your brain, significantly improving your ability to focus and concentrate on tasks in other areas of your life. 3. Enhances hand-eye coordination. Consistently executing accurate lines and symmetrical shapes fine-tunes your fine motor skills and strengthens the connection between what your eyes see and what your hand draws. This improved coordination can benefit everything from writing to playing an instrument. 4. A powerful stress reducer. Engaging in this structured, repetitive activity can be incredibly therapeutic. It provides a healthy outlet for stress and anxiety, allowing your mind to enter a meditative state where worries fade into the background. It's truly art therapy in action. 5. Develops problem-solving skills. Even seemingly simple patterns involve an element of visual problem-solving. You're constantly analyzing the grid, planning your next stroke, and envisioning how small elements contribute to the larger design. This subtle mental workout sharpens your analytical thinking. 6. Cultivates patience and precision. Geometric patterns teach you the value of precision and the rewards of patience. You learn that rushing can lead to errors, and that a steady, deliberate approach yields the most satisfying results. These are virtues that translate well into daily life. 7. Ignites creativity and design thinking. While structured, geometric patterns also spark creativity. You start seeing the world in shapes and possibilities, inspiring new ideas for design, art, or even how you organize your physical space. It's a subtle way to unlock your inner designer. 8. Builds a sense of accomplishment. Completing an intricate geometric pattern, especially one that looked challenging at first, provides a wonderful sense of achievement. It's a tangible representation of your focus, patience, and skill, boosting your confidence and motivation. So, the next time you pick up a pen and some grid paper, remember you're not just drawing. You're engaging in a practice that sharpens your mind, calms your spirit, and unlocks your creative potential.